My name is Brad Furlano. I'm the Executive Director of the Blue Stars. I've been with the Corps since 1982. The Blue Stars are proud to have been with Stanbury uniforms since 2003. They did 2 versions of our, what we call our traditional classic uniform for us before helping us evolve into a more modern looking and cut uniform. It's been a tremendous partnership for us, and we couldn't be more thrilled with the various looks and service that we get from the entire company. Everything from the design process, prototyping, the service is top-notch. We couldn't really be more happy with the way that they treat us and all their customers. We think they're part of our family, and we hope we're part of their family as well. Their reps, their service, their quality is second to none, in my opinion. When you're on tour with the Drum Corps, obviously, we put those uniforms through the ringer. They come out every time. They look great. They look crisp. They look sharp. I would just recommend the first call that you make if you're looking for uniforms is Stanbury Uniforms. We have found, and I think you'll find as well, that they offer the unparalleled service, unparalleled quality, and just an overall great experience.